Sorry about that. I hit the button by mistake. So you guys come on back in the room. I'm gonna do a couple more calls. I just did a call and it went to voicemail. So I'm gonna shoot them a quick text. Um, so, all right, so I'm sending out a text. Hello. We're doing live calls right now. I just did one and left a voicemail, so I'm just shooting a quick text. All right. Yeah, so like I was saying, the system that we're using, it allows you to make the calls and shoot them text messages immediately. And if they call me and I don't respond, it'll send out an auto text or voicemail to them as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go down the list.
Hello?
Okay, that was a voicemail that somebody left, so I'm just gonna call her back.
Hello?
Hello, hi, this is Janelle returning someone's call in regards to home ownership. Okay. All right, on to the next. We get those two. Hold on. All right.
Please leave your message for 810-493-7035.
Hello, this is Janelle returning someone's call. We're calling back from J. Gilmer Group. I'm assuming that you saw one of our signs in regards to home ownership. Please give us a call back at 810-209-8505. Thank you. All right, so I'm going to also send them a text message just in case they don't get that voicemail. I'm just putting, hello, this is Janelle returning your call from J. Gilmer Group. Please give me a call back to discuss your home ownership options. It is a little late in the evening. It's 7:45, so people could be getting ready for tomorrow. What I'm going to do is tomorrow morning, I'm going to get on here early so you guys can actually hear some responses. I think everybody's calling it a night right now. But at least you got a chance to see the system and a little bit of how it works. I'll do one more call as soon as I finish this text message, and then I'll wrap it up because I got 8 o'clock. Bear with me one moment. Alrighty. All right, let's see what else we got. And we are getting leads coming in every day, all day. And this is from a mailing, not a mailing campaign. This is from some bandit signs that we put out about I'm going to say about a month ago, maybe. We have 107 leads in here. And these are active leads. We have gone through a lot of them already and spoken to a lot of people and set up a lot of accounts, but these are all current. It's 107 messages in here that I need to get through. So the system is definitely legit. All right, this guy we've already spoken to, so let's go. Okay, I'm not familiar with this number, so I'm gonna call. Oh, they're red, so that's a do not call. Okay, let's try this one.
You have reached the voicemail box of 810-610-6666.
Hello, this is Janelle giving you a call from J. Gilmer Group. I see that you did leave us a voicemail in regards to one of the signs that you saw in regards to home ownership. When you get a second, please give us a call back at 810-209-8505 so that we can go over your options. Thank you. Have a great day. All right, so I'm going to send them a text message too. Okay, so this is pretty much what I do during the day, just making accounts for people so that we can get their background checks done, their credit checks done, so that, you know, when they're ready to finally move into their homes, everything is already set up. So that's pretty much it. Okay, rent to own. Yeah, so that's what we're doing with our homes. We're setting up rent-to-own options for them. And the campaign that we did with the bandit signs were for owner financing or rent-to-own options. So they call us in, we call them back, we find out what areas they're looking into, how much they have to put down, how much they can afford a month, where they work, how much they make, you know, all the regular questions that anybody else would ask if you were to go to an apartment complex or something like that. So they do have to fill out an application. There's an application fee. So we have a legit business here. So this is what we are doing. So stay tuned for tomorrow morning, sometime between 9 and 12. I'm going to get back on and do some more live calls and let you guys see the system again. Again, it's pretty late. So I'm just going to wrap it up. Plus, I have an 8 o'clock meeting that I need to be ready for. So thank you guys for logging on. Please like and share, and I will see you guys in the morning. Yes, and anyone can own a home with owner financing. Credit is not that big of a deal. as long as you have the cash. All right, guys, see you in the morning. Oh, Dallies, I miss you. Okay, I'm going to inbox you. I miss you, though, for real. Thanks for logging on. I know you're probably working in the morning, but if not, log on again because I'm going to make some more calls. All right. Bye.